In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change server location in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Hostinger website, which is known for helping you bring your ideas online through professional website services. Once the page loads, you will see options tailored for managing your online presence. Look for the area labeled My Account. When you click on My Account, you are directed to your personal dashboard, a space where all your account settings and hosting details can be viewed and managed. After accessing your dashboard, your attention shifts toward the home area of Hostinger's control panel. This home section is designed to be user-friendly, making it simple to manage various services. Navigating within this control panel becomes essential as you move forward with the process. In this area, find and click on the Websites option. The Websites section serves as a central hub where all of your online projects are listed. It is here that you can quickly glance at the sites you have already created and decide which one requires a change in server settings. Once you have entered the Websites section, you need to find the option for Website Lists. This list is organized to display all the websites associated with your account, giving you a clear overview of your projects. By accessing the website lists, you prepare to manage hosting details that are linked to your sites. The next focus is on your hosting plan. By clicking on the hosting plan option, you enter an area where comprehensive details about your service are revealed, including performance statistics and configuration settings. Within the hosting plan details, look for an area labeled Plan Details. This section offers a close look at the specifications of your current plan and helps you verify the suitability of the setup for your website's requirements. With a good understanding of your hosting package, your next step is to examine the Server Details section. This crucial area provides intricate details about the server currently hosting your website. Understanding these details is important since any change to the server location will affect your website's performance and accessibility. At this point, prepare to modify your server settings by clicking on Edit. The Edit function opens up options that allow you to update your server information. One of the key features available here is the ability to choose a new server location. When you select a new server location, consider factors such as the geographic proximity to your target audience or specific performance requirements that better suit your website's needs. Once you have made your selection, proceed by clicking on the next option. This step is essential as it moves the process forward, ensuring that your new configuration is set for implementation. In the final stage of the procedure, click on Start to confirm and activate the change in your server location. This final confirmation begins the process in which your hosting environment is updated and the new server settings take effect. Following these instructions will enable you to successfully update the server location of your website hosted through Hostinger. Through each stage, from accessing your account to confirming the new details, the process is designed to be clear and straightforward. Enjoy the new benefits and improved performance that come with relocating your server to a location that best fits your requirements.